Rwandan President Paul Kagame has made a call for increased partnership with Africa and the Caribbean region. He was speaking at a special sitting of Parliament today. Anthony Lugg has been covering the president's visit and now reports.
Rwandan President Paul Kagame will chair the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in his country in June. At that time, he will also preside over the decision for the Secretary General post of the organization. Jamaica's Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith has been nominated for the post. While steering away from the nomination, the Rwandan president says it's looking forward to working with Jamaica and the wider Caribbean, a statement that received cheers from both sides of the political aisle.
We hope to see strong representation from the Commonwealth Caribbean. And you will be welcomed home.
The Rwandan president, during his presentation in Gordon House, also stressed the need for increased unity between Caribbean and African countries. He reasoned the region's relationship does not have to rely on multilateral agencies or other foreign partners to become stronger.
Africa and the Caribbean do not have to relate to each other only through intermediaries. Our diplomats tend to meet in New York, London, or Geneva. I have no problem with that, but we could do it otherwise, directly.
He reminded parliamentarians of the historical and cultural ties shared by Africa and Jamaica and said he's looking forward to increased trade between the regions. Both the Prime Minister and opposition leader agreed.
We're looking forward to advancing our economic relations through increased trade and investment prospects, particularly as it relates to logistics, special economic zones, agriculture, and manufacturing.
We look forward to your tenure as Chairman of the Commonwealth and the progressive energy that we are confident you will bring to that role over the next 2 years. Welcome and thank you for coming.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.